Okay, you guys, I just wanted you to see our rides. Of course, it's his and hers. Mine is the red one. This is mine. I'm a Suzuki chick. And this one is my husband's. He's a Harley. So let me let y'all hear how it sounds. Because he's going to come out looking and watch. And this one is mine, you guys. My husband is trying to get me to change to a Harley, but I'm not ready. I'm not ready. That was mine. So we're gonna ride a little bit, y'all. And we shall return. He's the love of my life. I am his girl. He's the love of my life. He is my guy. For you know you rock my world, and you be boy and I be girl. Alright, I'm finna go put on something, okay? Hey. 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 I'm trying.
Are you taking me?
Y'all, this is the love of my life. Even though I don't like him all the time. But it's okay.
Don't say that.
We get ready to get us a little ride in this morning.
Somebody from Africa going through here.
You better stop saying
I hit you last night.
What?
This morning. Oh, South Carolina.
What? You recording now?
Yeah.
Hey, everybody! My husband is a hater, y'all. He don't really want to record, but he the one who want to ride motorcycles this morning. And I just worked all night. So when y'all do meet him, how about tell him about himself? You probably got a recording on you.
No.
You ready? I'm ready.